Hello, family. Welcome back to my channel. Thanks for returning, and I appreciate you all, as I always say, because your love and support keeps me moving and motivates me to bring you appetizing recipes. Family, on our menu today, we have spinach soup, which is also called Abunu Abunu in my local dialect. You can use any meat to make this appetizing and nutritious soup, and it will be just fine. So if you're tired of always making light soup with tomatoes, garden eggs, carrots, and whatnot, you can as well try this nutritious soup and you will love it. Kontomire is the perfect substitute to spinach if you are in Ghana, and they work just fine. So the family, I'm going to use my own homemade salted tilapia, oven smoked catfish, homemade cured beef, and homemade oven smoked mackerel. Now let's begin, family. Into the saucepan, I'm adding my turkey berry or kwaosuswa in my local dialect, and I'm going to also add my spinach, and it's frozen. You can use a fresh one, and it will all just work fine. Okay. I'm going to also add water, and then I'll cook for about 5 minutes. And guys, we will continue from there. So keep watching and go nowhere. So whilst they are cooking, I'm going to properly introduce you to my dry fishes, and I've got my homemade oven smoked catfish. Just brought them out of the fridge, and I'm going to also show you my homemade salted tilapia, and I'll use half of it, okay, not all. And also going to show you my homemade oven smoked mackerel, okay, and they are all beautiful and smell so good. I'm going to also show you my homemade salted beef or cured beef or tolo beef. Yeah, they bring amazing flavor to your stews and soups. And that's my mushroom and also my smoked turkey. Yeah, so I'm going to wash them nicely, and guys, you will start making our soup. So go nowhere. If you want to see all the ingredients that I'm going to put together to make this amazing spinach soup. Next, into my saucepan, I'm adding my oven smoked mackerel and catfish, also my smoked turkey, mushrooms, yeah, half of my salted tilapia, cured or salted beef or tolo beef. Beautiful. Just added my shrimp tablet and now salt to taste. Yeah. So without adding any water at this stage, I'll let them release their own juices for the steaming process. Okay, that's how we start building an amazing flavor for our soups. Okay, so now that's my plum tomatoes in the bowl, also my anise seed and coriander seeds. Okay, and I've also got my green bell pepper, which I'll use all of it. Okay, and I've got my ginger, garlic, white onions, and my red onion and scotch bonnet pepper. I'm going to cut and transfer all of them into my blender, blend them until they're all nice and smooth, and guys, add them to the steaming process. And guys, we will continue from there. So keep watching till the end and be inspired. All right, because this recipe is amazing and I do not want you to miss a step. Okay, so for our family, if you're enjoying the video, please don't forget to give your girl a big thumbs up. All right, don't forget to share for others to see. Help me spread the word. Okay, also comment under the video, let me know what you think about the soup. Okay, don't forget to also recommend this channel to friends and families who may like my recipes. And if it's your first time here, you are warmly welcome. Please join us by clicking on the subscribe button, click on the bell button to receive updates from me whenever I upload new videos. Alright, and you will not regret it. You love this channel. Yeah, at this point, it's advisable to use the cutting board, okay, because if your knife is too sharp, you might cut your fingers. And as for me, I'm just used to doing this, so I'm okay. But if you do not have the skills and techniques, please use the chopping board to avoid cutting yourself. All right. Right now they are all nicely blended and they are so smooth together. So I'm going to add them to the steaming process, and guys, we will continue from there. Yeah, this is an amazing recipe. It's so easy to make, but the ingredients that we are putting together is a game changer. They are so healthy and I'm loving this. The aroma is so amazing. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. They've released their own juices and everything is so perfect. We are now transferring our blended vegetables and seasonings into the saucepan, and guys, the combination of this is so amazing. It's a must try recipe indeed. I'm going to gently stir to mix it together nicely, making sure I do not break the fishes, alright? And they smell so beautiful. Hey, dry fish and quite pad, wow. Ahoɔden nko ara. It sounds like the isham. Add salt to taste, but make sure you do not add too much salt because of the salted beef or cured beef and the salted tilapia, alright? Or you end up making salty soup. So mostly I wait till the final stage before adding my salt. Yeah, so you can do that as well and it'll be fine. We're going ahead to blend our greens, and yeah, I'm going to use the same water to blend the greens. That's my spinach and my turkey berry, or going to swag my local dialect. I'm going to make sure they are all blended nicely and smoothly and add them to the steaming process. Yeah, just like this. I'm going to let them steam for about 10 minutes before adding water. Doing so will let them release their flavors together and they will blend in the end. And the taste of the soup will be enhanced. Yeah, and that's what we are trying to achieve. We are building up flavors for our soup. So now it's 10 minutes and I'm adding water to my desired level, and this is okay for me. If you want the soup to be light, then add more water. Okay, the soup's consistency is all by choice and preference. Okay, now stir a little bit to combine everything beautifully together, and the aroma here is heavenly, guys. It's so heavenly. Now that I've added water to my desired level, I'll give the soup about 25 minutes to be ready. Yes, and they will be ready at that time. Maximum by 30 minutes, it should be ready to be served. Yeah, and now all the umami are present. If you are short of blood, this soup is a go-to. Yeah, oil has already settled on top of the soup, and that's a sign that our soup is almost ready already. I'm already salivating. So interesting. And these are some vegetables that I'm steaming to enjoy. Finally, with my fufu. Yeah. Ooh, fufu is ready and it's about to go down. Family, in no time, we are all done making our authentic Ghanaian delicious spinach soup. And I love the recipe. I hope you give this a try and bring me the feedback, which I really appreciate. You can bring me your feedback by tagging me on Instagram, commenting down below my Facebook and YouTube videos, okay? Ooh, this is so aromatic. Family, when you're making spinach soup or contomere soup and you want the greens to dominate the soup, then use less tomatoes, okay? Ooh, for more of these videos, please follow your girl on Instagram, like my Facebook page, okay? Follow me also on Facebook, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and also follow me on TikTok, and let's TikTok there. Please don't forget to like, share, comment on this video. Don't forget to also recommend this channel to friends and families who may like my recipes. And if it's your first time, you are warmly welcome. I would love to have you here. So please subscribe to join this amazing family, okay? Don't forget to also click on the bell button to receive updates from me whenever I upload new videos, all right? I hope you've been inspired and you try this recipe as soon as possible. Thank you all for watching. See you all again in my next video. Until then, stay blessed, stay safe, be good, enjoy. Kiss. Bye, y'all.